Hey, I'm gonna do some lip swatches with the lipsticks that I got in my previous BOXYCHARMs, and I kept all these. I might have gotten some other lipsticks and then given them away. I've gotten a couple lip pencils, so today I'm just gonna use this one. It's by Jean Bleu, and it's in the shade 943 Brown Sugar. It's just like this nice brown color. So I'm going to be swatching today Hank & Henry. It's a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Petal Pusher. So there's that. I'm also going to swatch the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever. So this is that collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I'm also going to swatch the Adessa, and in one of my videos I talked about how I didn't like this at first and had a really gross tacky feeling, but then if I have a barrier, if I layer it on top of something else, then I actually really like it, and it has salvaged other lipsticks. This is also something I got. It's the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Flaming Hot. I'm going to also swatch the Kat Von D lipstick in Hawkwind. So this is kind of another liquid lipstick. And then finally, I'm going to swatch for you the Galactic Beauty matte lip paint in Posh. And this is one of my favorites. I'm really happy about this shade. I'm really happy about this shade. This one's fine. This one's like meh. Okay, so all right, let's get started. First, I'm going to moisturize. Then I'm going to line my lips. There's nothing special that I really do about this. I like to go up because it gives me more control. Got my little corners. I'm gonna start with that outside and come in more. Gonna clean that up. All right, and so it's a nice little base. First, I'm gonna start with the Galactic Beauty matte lip paint. Real quick and easy. So I usually get a lot of compliments on this one, and I've really liked it. It's very neutral, kind of an everyday thing. It's not gonna pop in pictures so much, but you know, it's nice for every day. Oh, well, let's also see what it looks like when I top it. It was matte, and now it has a little bit of shine to it. The thing about liquid lipsticks is sometimes they make my lips a little feathery, which I don't like. Applying this again. And now I'm going to go in with that Hank & Henry Petal Pusher matte liquid lipstick. It's a nice little kind of like pinky shade, and it's got this adorable packaging where it looks like a lipstick bullet, but then you open it up and it's just a nice little liquid lipstick. So, and it's matte. I get a lot of compliments on this too. So I like, and I'm surprised by shades that come in the BOXYCHARM that seem to fit for a lot of skin tones, or at least lighter skin tones. So it's got a little bit of like mauve in it, and so I like this color. Now let's see what this Tarte lip paint in Flaming Hot looks like on top of it. And here, I'll just do it in the middle. So that's kind of nice. And then let's see what it looks like when it's all over. What about that? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Look, it stays pretty well. I mean, like, a lot of it comes off, but, you know, I'm surprised that it leaves this, like, nice tint on my lips. Let's do this. So this is the Ofra collaboration with Kathleen Lights. It's the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. I think this coloring looks a lot better with the makeup that I'm wearing right now. And the eyeshadow is just really simple. Again, Kathleen Lights, color Pop, just kind of on most of like my lid up until just a third of it. And I applied it with one of these brushes that I got from BOXYCHARM as well. There are these adorable little shorty things that travel really easily. And so there's just kind of like a wide one, a little bit like taller, and a fluffy one, kind of this like angle shaped one, and then this for like good for like smudging things out. So all right, so then I use the Alamar palette, and I just use this Cocoa Taxi on the outside there. The liquid liner is just the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I didn't get it in my BOXYCHARM, but I really like it. It's a fave of a lot of people for a reason. The last one that I'm gonna swatch is the Kat Von D, and it's in the color Hawkwind. I let my hair down for the last swatch. All right. Oh, I forgot to do this part first. I'd say that was enough. And then quick swipe all around. And clean up those edges. That's it. What do you think? Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.